Part 3. Least common multiple and greatest common divisor. These two topics, LCM and GCD, we have talked about a lot in last year's curriculum. And in this process, really for all numbers, it involves a prime factorization. That means we decompose a number into product of all prime numbers. So these are, students can read and teach, the coaches can explain to the students. Basically, for example, we have 24, say. 24, we need to decompose it into its all primes. So we have 2 multiply 12, 2 multiply 2 multiply 6 equals to 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 3. So the prime factorization gives 24 2 to the power of 3 multiply 3. And if given another number, say 62, then we do the same. Once we get to all, decompose all the numbers into its prime factorization, then we can compare the two to find the least common multiple or greatest common divisor. Least common multiple needs to be combining the two, while the greatest common divisor is the common of the two. That's the essence of this. We will go through these properties when we look at this problem. Practice problem 9. Find the least common multiple of these two numbers. So first, we can decompose 96 into, say, 16 by 6. 16 is 2 to the power of 4. 6 is 2 multiply 3. Therefore, is 2 to the power of 5 multiply 3. And 144 is 12 squared. 12 multiply 12. 12, they have 3 in there, and there's another 3, so that's 3 to the power of 2. Has a 4, there's a 4, so 2 to the power of 2, 2 to the power of 2, that give you 2 to the power of 4. So therefore, we first decompose 96 and 144 into all prime numbers. Then we look for the common multiple. So 2 to the 5 and 2 to the 4, that we have to have 2 to the 5 in order for the two things to be divisible by that number, to be multiples of that number. So here is a 3 to the power of 1, here's the 3 to the power of 2. So we have to have a 3 to the power of 2. Therefore, this thing would give you the least common multiple of these two numbers.